This is your latest product which is launched, is it?
Yes, I think it's been a week or so we have launched this product.
But tell me one thing, a lot of people, while they're going to eat healthy, they're also moving away from packaged food, packaged item. How do you navigate that conundrum?
See, I think Saffola endeavors to provide better for you alternatives, whether it's snacking, whether it's breakfast. And as far as this cup oats is concerned, I think we have now got a reasonable penetration as far as masala oats is concerned. And if you look at how masala oats started, oats was good for heart. But plain oats is something which Indians don't like because they don't like cold breakfast. How do I deliver health without compromising on taste?
Okay.
And I think that is our biggest learning as far as the Saffola food journey is concerned.
You have masala oats for breakfast regularly?
I have it over the weekend once in a while. And I think this came in because we realized that there's a market for convenience. And just like what has you seen in noodles, this market, and especially with the growth of quick commerce, this is one pack format which is growing. I think this is also increasingly as a pack format which is used in airlines. So I think it's just a kind of an adjacency, it's an innovation which you continuously needs to refresh the brand and create new news on a brand.
I'll wait for you to complete that point because I see a lot of these masala oats on our table as well. Is this your breakfast?
Yeah, we can try it out.
Definitely. By the way, this is a very tough category to be in. A lot of people who've tried to, get Indians to eat packaged breakfast or different kind of breakfast.
No, but something, it's 60% of the category is now eaten as in between meals.
Okay.
And therefore it's used as snacking. This is masala millets.
Okay.
One of the things we have ensured that we deliver on the taste.
So by the time our conversation is over, these noodles better be ready.
And wait for 4 minutes. And you will have a tasty breakfast.
Okay, Saugata, 4 minutes is what we have. Let's do this as a quick rapid fire thing. When we had a conversation last, you had given us targets. You've met all those targets. You gave us new targets thereafter as well. In the time that you've been the MD of Marico, the revenue that the company has reported has almost doubled. You've crossed 10,000 crores. Your margins have increased by 600-700 basis points. Your net profit has almost tripled from 500 crores to 1,600 crores. More importantly, your market cap has jumped from 15,000 crores to 80,000 crores. What are the targets that you aspire to have?
What we are doing is at the beginning of 2020 during COVID, we started on a transformation journey.
Yes.
I think we have done fairly well. Our international business journey has been very good. We still need to do, as I said, slightly better on our core. We just started this Setu, which is a distribution expansion. I think sales transformation is something which is work in progress. If I look at it, some of the things we need to continue to do is, as we have set some aspirations like having a profitable digital business, which again continues to grow 2x, having a profitable food business, internationally having a far more diversified business in both portfolio and country, and of course start getting the core back into a good growth. And see, the core issue is something which is not just for us, it's for the entire industry. And it is extremely important for the industry is to get three things right. One is, how do you get the volume growth back on track a little more?
Do you think the budget would make a significant difference?
I think it would be. So, but it's not that everything will go to FMCG, some part, and even within FMCG, I think two things will happen. Maybe the downgradation that was happening in staples will go down, but I think it will go some money towards BPC and foods definitely. But there will be other things competing for the share of wallet, whether it's eating out, even investing in mutual funds, it could be travel. And so I think FMCGs will get that share of that wallet, and it's a significant saving. I think the government has been extremely pragmatic and extremely I think it's visionary thing to do this. It's a big bold move because that will drive middle class consumption. But some part definitely FMCG will benefit.
You said foods will go on to a new strategy or a new leg of growth as soon as Project Setu is completed.
It's not just food, it's the overall
So
business.
How much incremental sales?
So I think Setu has two parts. One is when we started Setu, we realized that our total reach as a percentage of, our direct distribution as a percentage of total reach is lower than our peers. So therefore, direct distribution rural gives you better quality coverage. It gives you also much more better range selling. What Setu will help in the urban is accelerating our diversification, because if you look at a diversified portfolio, we're still over-indexed in OT, when means that, you know, if we have to really scale up, you have to get GT right.
Got it.
And therefore, which means getting into food, cosmetic and chemist outlets in urban. And that's the second leg of Setu. And we are trying to do both these legs. It's taking a little time, because at the end of the day, I think you have to get the execution right. And I think Setu will start delivering dividends sometime towards the next financial year. It will start delivering dividends and the incremental growth.
So 15,000 crore revenue by when? 20,000 crore revenue by when?
I think, as I said, our endeavor is to ensure that we get double-digit revenue growth every year, deliver top quartile volume growth, and ensure that our margins, subject to a threshold, keeps on increasing. But we will never do short-term margin gain for the heck of compromising the long-term growth.
All right, so that is 4 minutes. Let's see whether these noodles or oats are ready or not. I see some water here, some oats.
Just mix it a bit.
Okay.
There you go.
It's very hot. This does not taste very different from this, which means that it has succeeded in its overall first idea of making it ready to eat versus ready to cook. Interesting. That's a healthy breakfast. That's tastier than I'd imagined it to be. And I hope that you get to the 2,000 crore mark in your foods business with higher proportion of revenue coming in from the oats portfolio and the non-oil portfolio in Saffola as well.
Absolutely. And I think we are completely confident that in the next 3 years, besides oats, we will create a significant scale in both snacking and breakfast, like muesli.
What about protein? Plix has a fairly good name in the protein category.
Protein is an interesting category. Again, I believe there's an entire gamut of nutraceuticals. Protein plays a big role. In addition to, obviously, we are looking at weight management. We are looking at maybe sometime in the future some other lifestyle diseases. At the same time, I think there are new things, opportunities emerging, like gut health, bone health, sleep, stress. And we are willing to evaluate and explore the entire spectrum of wellness.
Wish you good luck with that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.